Start. Shri Shashi Nandan, learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioners in the first writ petition contended that the deputy registrar has exceeded his jurisdiction in passing the impugned order dated 5.8.2015. It is urged that the dispute between the parties was in respect of the election and continuance in office of office bearers of the society, and such a dispute can only be decided by prescribed authority under section 25 within bracket 1 bracket close of the act. It is further submitted that while passing the impugned order, proper opportunity of hearing and to submit documents was not provided to the petitioners, and thus there is a grave procedural irregularity. It is submitted that the alleged rival claim set up by Shiv Charan Lal Sharma by moving application dated 18.12.2014 came to an end after he submitted his affidavit dated 21.3.2015, wherein he disowned having filed any application or list of office bearers. It is urged that thereafter the list submitted by the petitioners should have been registered. It is submitted that Chandrapal Sharma is not even a member of the general body. He tried to take benefit of the fact that one of the founder secretary of the society was one Chandrapal, who is a different person. It is further submitted that no finding in relation to the elections set up by Chandrapal for the years 2010 and 2014 has been recorded in the order dated 5.8.2015. The deputy registrar, assuming these elections set up by Chandrapal Sharma to be valid elections, illegally directed the petitioners to hand over registration certificate of the society to him. It is further submitted that liberty granted to Chandrapal to fill up vacancies consequent to certain resignations and subsequent act on part of the deputy registrar in registering the list of office bearers submitted by him for the year 2015 to 16 was wholly illegal. It is submitted that the election proceedings dated 24.8.2014 set up by Chandrapal reveals that only 5 persons have participated in the elections, whereas the general body comprised of 30 members, and under the bylaws, the quorum being 2/3 of the total members was thus not complete. Consequently, the alleged elections dated 24.8.2014 are ex facie illegal. On the other hand, Shri Gajendra Pratap Singh, learned senior advocate appearing on behalf of the Committee of Management represented by Chandrapal Sharma in both the petitions, submitted that the registration of the list of office bearers on the basis of alleged elections dated 22.8.2010 was obtained by Manish Sharma by playing fraud. It is submitted that the deputy registrar was misled into registering the list of office bearers on 10.1.2013, although in the past request in that regard was made by Chandrapal Sharma by application dated 4.9.2010 soon after the elections were held on 28.8.2010. It is further submitted that the claim made by Manish Sharma was based on fraud and manipulated documents, and in such circumstances the deputy registrar was perfectly justified in entering into the controversy. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.